I've received this new Dell laptop, and it's going to be an unboxing for this Vostro machine. Now I'll just run you through the specs a little bit. This is an 8GB RAM Dell laptop, and it's a UK version. What that means is that the power rating is for UK, it's not a US version, and it's a Dell Vostro. So it's one of the latest machine. It's the 2022 model. And I'm just going to run you through what actually came in the box and how does the machine look. It just comes with a charger and a power plug. It's one of the latest, as I told you. It's a 2022 model. It's an 8GB RAM model with 256 gigabytes of SSD. Now the machine is pretty well built. I just took it out from the box. Just to show you the different ports and from the front how it looks. So it's built quite nicely. Now all of this pattern, if you just look over here carefully, it's more textured. So I'm guessing that it won't attract any fingerprints. That is a good thing. Dell logo on the top. On your right side you get a few ports. So the first is your SD card slot. The second is your USB port. Then you have RJ45 connector where you can connect to your LAN. Because it's a business machine, so usually you find these ports as common. And then you have the headphone jack, and then you have the Kensington lock. So these are the ports on the right. And on the left you have the two USB ports and then an HDMI port. Because if you need to connect to a projector, it just makes it very easy. Now, I didn't find it quite exciting when I looked at the power port, because it's one of the old power ports, and what that means is usually it gets loose. Now I'm going to show you in a second what I mean. So guys, this is what I meant, that it's one of those old power ports. And you know what happens with the passage of time. Once when you plug this in, you keep on plugging it in again and again, it becomes wobbly. And once it becomes wobbly, it's just going to become loose. So that is a big issue. So guys, this port could be a definite problem if it gets loosened, and then you have to get it repaired and so on. So it's a headache. Now, on the bottom, I'm just going to show you have these cutouts. That's for the speaker and for air ventilation as well. And one on the left and one on the right over here. On the bottom, on the rear, you have this area. This is definitely for the ventilation, as I can see the fans inside. So this is the Vostro machine. As I said, the machine looks really smart. Personal use, it's fantastic, but you can see that I was thinking that there'll be no fingerprints, but it's already, although the surface is textured, but I can still see that there are fingerprints. So I'm not sure why, even being textured, it's showing up so many fingerprints. So that needs to be cleaned up. Apart from that, if I open up the computer, I'm just going to show you that I did turn it on, and same goes to the bottom area over here. It's all textured. It says Intel Core i3. The trackpad is not flimsy. It's it clicks from the bottom, not from the top. And this is a 14-inch machine, just to let you know. As I told you, that this is a business machine, and they have redesigned it. Now, the other thing which I didn't really like in this machine is that the hinge system is a bit strange. So guys, the hinge is the area which I would say it's not really very interesting to see when you open up the computer. But overall, it does give you that slight raised position when you will use it. So there is upsides and there are downsides, but this is my view. So guys, let me know in the comment section if you would like any other review of this machine, or if you would like the speed test or anything like that. But according to my point of view, it costed me £500. I think it's a very reasonable price machine. Keypads, layout is brilliant, the hardware is fantastic in this price point, and the build quality is no doubt it's quite good. It's Dell as it is always. So guys, this was my very quick review for the Dell Vostro machine. So if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section below and I'll reply back to you. Thanks very much and see you in my next video.